Introducing Galaxy S24 Ultra. Galaxy AI is Samsung's most comprehensive intelligence, something we have never seen before, and it will change how people think about our phones forever. That's definitely interesting. So let's see a glimpse of the Galaxy AI. Samsung revealed the AI Live Translate call, which is integrated into the native call feature, making users have a personal translator. Let's say you have a call with someone who speaks another language, then the audio and text translations will appear in real time. It's as easy as you turn on subtitles on a live show. And this feature is coming early next year, so it's highly possible that the Galaxy AI will be added to the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So are you excited for this? Let's talk about new upgrades of Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, which will be released in the January of 2024. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, which is the best smartphone chip for now. The GPU benchmark and Wildlife Extreme GPU tested S30 better power efficient. In conclusion, the chipset is getting better performance, more efficient, lower heat, and saving battery. Additionally, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 is built and optimized for generative AI. The AI function not only functions like ChatGPT, but also to generate photos and videos. Highest quality from the Samsung teaser. They have several points to emphasize. First, the automatic subject tracking. This feature will allow you to just record it like usual, but it will keep the moving object or person in the center of the video. In other words, this camera is able to zoom in and follow things automatically, like you are using an expensive camera, and the result will have two videos. One is full field of view and the other one is the zoom-in area, which both are still in 4K resolutions. In addition, this camera also enables seamless zoom functionality without losing quality. For instance, if you are recording a view and you want to focus on one area, you don't need to move your angle, you can just zoom into the direction with the tap on the screen and it all is still in 4K quality. This is the tech of 200 megapixel sensors. Not stopping here. The E2 AI Remoza tech offers a speed-up image processing and richer detail and color result. So if you are into videography and photography, this Samsung S24 Ultra will be a really perfect fit. Also recently it's reported that Samsung S24 Ultra is equipped with satellite connectivity.